It's me, Tiff, and today I'm gonna be doing my little skincare routine.
Look at this dude.
Okay. I look pretty busted right now.
I've been off the Molly cooler with my niggas. What you figure? Tryna go against my niggas, get you knocked right out the picture. She a stripper, I'm a dicker. Then I pass it to my nigga. In the VIP, we sippin' sip, we poppin' cider, not no liquor. I'm a lean sipper, drug dealer, pill popper, knocker. Bitch down, sippin', walkin'.
It's literally 4 and I woke up like 2 hours ago. So, but yeah. I know I look kind of lifeless right now, but just bear with me because I'm gonna be showing y'all my little skincare routine. Because honestly, you guys, my skin used to be really bad. I used to have really bad acne all over my face, on my cheeks, on my chin, mainly on my forehead and stuff. But I've been able to like clear it up, and I've actually come to a really good spot with like my skin and how it's doing and stuff. If you guys want to see my little skincare routine, just keep watching. I'm not gonna bore you with my little intro, but yeah, it's your girl, Cash Money, Cash Cartier, Cash Baby, okay, whatever you want to call me, you know what I'm saying? I don't judge here. You see my closet. All right, so we're in my bathroom right now. This is my little curtain here, my cute little towel or whatever. This is my little skincare fridge that I have in my bathroom, and I decorated it with some little stickers. It actually broke right here because I dropped it, but it still works. So there's nothing in it right now because I'm gonna be washing my face. But I just wanted to show you guys that I keep this in my bathroom, and I keep all my skincare products in here. Okay guys, so the first step in my skincare routine is to wash your hands. Very important step, especially if you've been touching, you know, who knows what. You always want to have clean hands when you touch your face. You also want to refrain from touching your face throughout the day because your hands can have a lot of bacteria and such on them. That's actually really helped me with my acne because I used to pick at it like all the time. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is putting on a headband to hold my hair back, and then I'm just gonna put the hottest water that my sink will allow, and I'm using my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. It's really gentle, but it still gets the job done. Okay, so now that I washed my face, I'm just rinsing it off. And then I'm gonna pat my face dry. This is a really important step. You don't want to rub your face because it can cause premature aging. You just want to make sure you pat it dry and be really gentle with your skin. And the next step after I dry my face is I'm using Witch Hazel as toner. This one's a Humphreys organic brand. And I'm just putting that all over a cotton pad. And I just use this all over my face to really just tone it and remove any excess dirt. I also use it under my eyes and just on the eye area for like eye puffiness and like dark circles. And as you can see, there's a bunch of like gross, icky stuff on that, so we don't want that. It's not good for your skin. Alright, so the next step I'm using is Anti-Blemish Pads by Noxzema. And I just ripped these in half because I don't have as bad of acne as I did before. I don't even really have pimples. It's mainly texture pimples. So I just use this wherever I'm having little problem areas. Okay, so the next step I use is sunscreen. I use 35 SPF. And I'm just rubbing this in between my hands and kind of warming it up. And I'm just putting this all over my face. But when I apply products to my face, I make sure to always apply them in like sort of an upward motion, and I just kind of pull my skin upwards. I'm also using some on my on my neck So yeah, like I said, you just want to pull upwards. You never want to drag your skin down because that can again cause premature aging. Okay, so the next step in my skincare routine is my Jergens Natural Glow Moisturizer, and this really helps to even out my skin tone. I put this everywhere on my face except for my upper lip area. Yeah. And then I just use bile oil for my scars, and I just kind of apply this everywhere where I have scars. I even put some on my hands. And then for my eyes, I use Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream, whatever you want to call it. And I apply this to my index finger, particularly my index finger, just because it's the most gentle. And they say that the skin on your eyes is as gentle as like tissue paper, so I'm just really gentle. Okay, so last but not least, I use my little quartz roller that I keep in the freezer, and I just use the small end on my eyes, and it has a lot of benefits. Like, it kind of just cools down your eyes and like depuffs them. I don't really know what the benefits are. I just use it because it feels good on my face. And then I use the other end of it to kind of like soak in all the skincare products that I just applied to my face. But yeah, I feel like it just kind of wakes you up, and it can kind of like carve out your little cheekbones and whatnot, and kind of carve out your face. Okay guys, so that was my little skincare routine or whatever. The last step in the process is to put on Vaseline, of course, because Vaseline or chapstick, because lip care is important and essential in the skincare routine. I'll use chapstick that has SPF in it because it gives like a protective layer against the sun. So yeah, I'm really big on skincare, and I'm really big on like protecting your skin from the sun, even if your skin is highly melanated, just because you can still get sunburned and you can still get premature aging from not wearing sunscreen if your skin is really dark. But yeah, those are my tips that I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this helps your little skincare regimen, if you will. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna go get ready for the day, and if you want to see a little get ready with me, you know what I'm saying, comment, like the video, whatever. But yeah, I'm out.
What are you talking about? I'm tired. I do want to go, but I can't. I'm tired. I want to go. Cardi, I want to go to Pluto. Cardi, I want to go to Pluto.
Romeo, check it out. Anyway.